As part of National Police Week, law enforcement officers across Tennessee have come together on a statewide bike ride honoring those who've lost their lives in the line of duty. Now, the ride ends at Coolidge Park, but first there's a stop at the Law Enforcement Memorial downtown to pay their respects. And that's where we find our reporter Mary Frances Hoots joining us live with the story. Mary Frances?
Well, that's right, David. They just came through here about a minute ago, so they've completely blocked off this section of Market Street between 6th and 7th Street, and they stopped at the Law Enforcement Memorial in downtown Chattanooga. Take a look at some of the bikers just behind me. They have just gotten off their bikes. I'm sure they are very tired. This is part of a 270-mile trek across the state. So this actually started on Sunday. They left from Chattanooga. Drove from Chattanooga to Clarksville, about an hour north of Nashville. That's where they began the bike ride 3-day event. So they started on Monday, did about 100 miles on Monday, stopping at several different places along the way, different police departments to honor their officers who have fallen. They've gone to several elementary schools, talked to some of the kids, raised awareness for what's going on right now. You can see a few of them walking this way towards the memorial where Sheriff Jim Hammond and Chattanooga Police Chief David Roddy are set to speak and lay a wreath. I'm sure they are very tired. They are not done quite yet. They will head on over to Coolidge Park in just a bit after they say their words here. But on yesterday they did about 83 miles. Today they finished it up, so that's about 90 miles left. And part of this ride includes 8 Chattanooga police officers, part of Team Chattanooga, and they have been raising money for the nonprofit Law Enforcement United. They've raised about $18,000. So very impressive. A lot of hard work put into this. Some of them train all year for this just to do it today. Typically it happens in Washington, D.C. However, that is not the case right now. Because of COVID-19, they had to change that. So the Hamilton County Sheriff's Office and Chattanooga Police Department were the ones who are hosting the ride for the state of Tennessee. This is the only ride from Tennessee. Again, 270 miles from Clarksville to Chattanooga, about to wrap up in a few miles over at Coolidge Park. Take one last look at what's going on over here. I know Sheriff Jim Hammond and Police Chief David Roddy are about to speak, so we're going to listen in on that. And then tune back in at 6 o'clock. We'll be here, give you a live report of some of their comments. But for now, live in downtown Chattanooga, Mary Frances Hoots, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.